Okay, we are now back home again because I simply want to do a quick mod to the Skyline, and that is this little thing. I don't know if you know what this is, but this is, oh yeah, this is a Red Bull can that I have cut up, and this works as a gasket for the blow-off valve, or the circulating valve that sits right there. And yeah, this is what this does. It blocks it off. I know you can buy a kit, but I don't want to do, I can't do that, but I don't have the time. I want to do it now because I love the sound of that turbo flutter, and I have not actually tried this with the new turbo, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, let's be fair, I do not know what blew up my previous turbo. Maybe it was because I blocked it off, and OEM turbos for the Skyline are kind of weak and they get destroyed fast, but this one, the new turbo that I got, is a much higher quality, and it can actually take some beating with the usage of this. So I do not recommend doing this, but of course, turbo flutter, we like that. Worst case scenario, turbo blows up again. I do not think that will happen, but that's absolute worst case scenario. Best case scenario, we get a beautiful sounding turbo. So let's do it. Okay, so what this does is actually block off the blow-off valve, so the pressure will simply go back into the turbo. And this is debatable, but a lot of people say that this is not good for the turbo, and some people say it does not matter as much. And it's actually pretty simple. We simply just take this out like so and put this little guy that's the top ball. That took about 2 minutes. That's a well worth 2-minute job. Now the blow-off valve is blocked off. Now let's take it for a quick test drive and hear how the turbo sounds. I'm very excited about this. I love turbo flutter. It's such a good noise. And like I said, I have not yet been doing this on the new turbo, so I'm really excited to hear how it sounds with the blow-off valve blocked off. Woo! Nice! Oh my god! That's so nice! Oh my god. To be honest, to me, that like doubles the enjoyment of the drive. Seriously, the turbo noises are so important. Ah! Oh, I love it! Oh. Oh my god, so good. Oh my god. To be honest, I was kind of worried that the turbo would not sound as good because when I had the blow-off valve like activated before this, the turbo was kind of making that a little bit flutter, but it was going really fast. It was like really, really fast. And it's cool, but I like it to be like slower, like it is right now. Ah, it goes on for like 2-3 seconds. Oh my god. Ah, so good. Okay, let's do another pull. on my previous turbo as well, and I loved the noise when I did it. But to be fair, I don't. You should not do this on a OEM turbo, because if you have a bad quality turbo like Nissan's made for these Skyline, I mean it's the OEM turbo for these cars are not good. So swapping it out is something you like should do. If it works, of course. But to block off the blow file like I have done now, not a good idea on an OEM turbo. But now that I got an aftermarket stronger turbo, it should be no issue. I've talked to both my tuner at SH Tuning, he said no worries, and I've also talked to the guy who actually built me the turbo when I bought that. So, and they have all been saying the same thing, it does not matter, just it doesn't matter, just do it. So yeah, then yeah, he also said to me if I do block it off, I may be getting some more pops and bangs and stuff like that. So that's also pretty cool. Or not pops and bangs, but if I were to block it off, I may be getting some more flames out of the exhausts. Well, but this car, she's a ripper now. She is so powerful. Okay, we are now at the usual spot, and I thought that you guys maybe want to hear some sound clips, and to be honest, I want to hear some sound clips myself because I want to hear how it sounds on the outside, and especially now with the turbo flutter that we got. So let's now do a couple of pulls, and I will put you guys on the road somewhere here, and we can hear how the RB25 sounds now that it's tuned. Okay, now you heard some sound clips of the RB25. I think it sounds just great. Subscribe and like the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.